proverbial thief in the night. That is how the latest friendly international between the Reggae Boyz and Guatemala crept upon us. And less than a week after, the boys will face off with Canada at the National Stadium in the first leg of the Nations League quarterfinal. Of course, the Guatemala game is not on a FIFA date, so it won't be our strongest team. For the Canada game though, we should be back at full strength with a semi-final spot in the Nations League and a place in the 2024 Copa America Championships up for grabs. But look here though, we see Coach Hallgrimsson still looking at players. Some of these players were looked at several times before by other coaches, but obviously Coach Hallgrimsson wants to take his own look. No, I am not a big fan of this incessant looking business though. The coach supposed to know by now who a baller or who a no baller. Coach better mind him can say looking disease. Yeah man, coach, when you're building synergy and chemistry in a football team, this look is not a good look.